Hey guys, it's Raquel. So this is an update video to my Doll in Mind box opening. I finally got my replacement part. So I'm gonna make this really quick because I actually have a doll meet to go to in like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna make this really quick. I got this box July 12th. I know it's been like a week and a half and I still haven't opened it. It's because I've been busy, but I finally have it. It's right here. So it is the replacement part for this piece right here. I don't know if I'll be able to focus it, but you can see that there's a little smudge right around there. If it'll focus on my nails. Hello. Focus, 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 focus on my ring. Aha. So right around there. Okay, well, I tried. You could kind of see it. It's right there, that speck. Anyway, um, so that's the replacement. This is the replacement piece, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's okay. They were pretty good at getting back to me, about it, and, about a week later I asked them when it was going to happen and when they were going to come and send it my way, and they said, we're shipping it today. I'm like, okay. And then I got it, like, a week later or something, so that's pretty good. So yeah, sorry I'm rushing this, just trying to get through this so I can post it and get to that doll meet that I'm going to. So let's see. Once again, funny foam parts. So I'm guessing it's because it's such a small package. This time it's not dirty. Okay, and here it is, well bubble wrapped. So hopefully this goes well. So far, the communication has been good. They've been okay with getting back to me and making sure that I got my piece, which is nice, and hopefully I can put her together. Very nice. Alright, so right off the bat, I do not see any flaws on the front, which is really nice. Also looks like it has more detail on this one. And on the back, the sides, I'm just comparing them right now. There's a bit of a seam line on the right side, on this side, which is, I guess, your left, which is more visible than the one that the previous bust had, but that really isn't a concern for me because I don't care for seam lines. Like, seam lines are gonna exist no matter what you do, unless you sand them like really, really fine, and it's noticeable here, but it's not too bad. I don't really mind. But yeah, no flaws, no nothing. She looks perfect. So there it is. I don't know if it's gonna be able to think, but that's the new bust. Look how nice and here. Look how nice and oof that is. Yeah, it's not focusing anymore, but that's okay. So I'm happy. I got my replacement part. So now she's got a little oof. She's got a little body. I'm excited. Okay, so I will be deeming this experience positive, though there was a hiccup along the way with the defective bust. At least they did follow through. They got me the bust, the replacement, and it's in perfect condition. It's the same color. Everything is perfect about it. I am very, very happy. So neutral review turned to positive. I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's a little short, quick, and I'm all over the place, but yeah, I did this right after work. I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!